at the club, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into the channel again. Watch another video with your boy. As you can see by the title, we will be working on this today, the E36. It's just a little update video, whatever, of everything I've got going on. But I want to get all these parts in so that I can hurry up and get Nipsey back inside. He's been sitting outside for a couple days. That's a prized possession. But first and foremost, damn. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and drop a comment. And stay tuned for more, because there'll always be more. So today we've got parts on parts. We've got idler control valve hose, another one, throttle body gasket, idler connection, crankshaft position sensor, that was the bag it came out of, idler control valve, mass airflow sensor, and new camshaft position sensor. So I'm gonna try to get all those put in today. As you can see, I've been working with this fueling issue or whatever, but that should be solved. So hopefully we'll start it up today and get it out of here. But yeah, idler control valve goes down here in this area, so I'll have to figure out exactly where it's supposed to go since it wasn't there before. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just work through all this now, because it's not really gonna be like a DIY video, and I cannot wait to paint this valve cover because it is ugly. So ugly. So yeah, let me go ahead and start putting in some parts, show you guys once I put them in, and then we'll fire it up and get it out of the garage. So we've got the crank sensor in. It's down there. Can't really see it. Oh wait, there it is down there. Got the Vano solenoid back in. Got the camshaft position sensor in. Idle air control valve and the first hose is on now. It was a pain figuring out the wiring and stuff for this because it was all messed up. So hopefully I got it wired right. So what I'm gonna do now is put the throttle body back on, and once the throttle body is back on, I'll go ahead and put the other idle control valve hose on there, and hopefully we'll be starting this up in like the next hour maybe. So I would have showed putting on the hose down here. It goes to the intake. But I was test fitting it, got a little carried away, and I was like, alright, you know what, I'm not about to pull this mess back off, because if I break it, I'm gonna be pissed. So got the hose on for the idle air control valve down here. We'll see if I really need it or if I'm gonna end up deleting it. We shall see. So let me go ahead and put the intake boot back in. Well, the intake filter back in. Okay, so got the intake back in. I'm definitely going to be getting a new intake for that because that looks horrible sitting on top of the radiator hose like that. But got the mass airflow sensor back in, the crank sensor is in, cam sensor is in, throttle body gasket done, idle air control valve is in. So now I'm going to go ahead and see if it starts up, and if it doesn't, then I'll just jump it to start it and get it out of the garage for now. Alright, so update on the situation that is going on with this car. It is the next day because the kill switch or fuel pump switch that they put in there, the car, I made a mistake and left on while I was troubleshooting the fuel issue. So I got it charged. I wanted to get a new battery, but they wouldn't let me get a new battery yet. I'll get one eventually. But like I said, the fuel issue that I was having was it was not priming or it wasn't running on its own, but you'll be happy to know all these are the wires and everything that was in there. So they are out. Seat is back in, which means I have fixed that issue. And the car is now running self-sustaining without a relay or whatchamacallit, switch. So like I said, it's running already, so might as well, you know, go ahead and start it up. Let you guys hear the absolute loudness of it. But I got a lot more work to do on it, so start up first. So yep, that's about it for this a bit of work. I still need to get power steering, radiator, and what else was I thinking about doing first and foremost? Can't remember right now. But yeah, power steering, radiator, obvious. Oh yeah, headlights. I need to get the headlights so I can actually drive it around. But yeah, that is going to be it. Nipsey can finally get back into his spot. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. I will catch you guys in the next video.